Are you tired of spending hours creating detailed backgrounds for your animation videos? What if we told you there's a way to make high-quality backgrounds quickly and easily? Welcome to Autodraft AI, the ultimate platform that leverages AI to revolutionize your animation workflow. In today's video, we're diving into how you can craft stunning, high-quality backgrounds for your animation projects using Autodraft. Autodraft simplifies the background creation process by automating repetitive tasks and ensuring consistency in your art style. Let's explore how you can bring your scenes to life with just a few clicks. And at the end of the video, I'll also show you how to use Autodraft to create this type of 2D animation video. So make sure to watch until the end. So you can find the link to the tool in the description below. Make sure to check it out. First, you need to sign up. And don't worry, you won't need a credit card. After signing up, you'll see a dashboard like this. Here you'll find a variety of templates: village style, aesthetic anime, kids animation, painting anime, thriller and horror, western animation, cartoon background, and webtoon 3D. And these all templates are consistent style templates. So choose any template according to your needs. Trust me, just like the sharp visuals you see on the screen now, you can generate similar images using this tool. All right, I'm choosing the village style template. Now this is your dashboard, and this is where you'll generate images. You'll need to write a prompt here, but don't worry, you don't need to write a difficult prompt, because this tool is quite smart. Additionally, you'll find some unique AI features at the top, which we'll try out in a bit. From here, you can select the aspect ratio. There are many options available. If you make a short video, you can change the aspect ratio to 9:16. After that, you can choose the number of images you want to generate. I'll keep it at 1. By default, a negative prompt is added in this tool, but you can change it if you want. I'll set the prompt strength to 8. All right, now let's generate an image. I'll write a simple prompt here. Beautiful village, animals, mountain. As soon as I start writing, I see an option for Enhance Prompt with AI. I'll try that. Wow, you can see that the AI has intelligently completed the rest of the prompt. You can also try this, but keep in mind that it will use up 1 credit each time you do. All right, and you don't need to explain the prompt in detail like Midjourney. Just write a simple prompt specifying what you want in the image. All right, once you've done this, click on Generate Images. The tool will analyze the prompt, and within seconds, it will generate a beautiful looking image. Just look at the quality of these images. Mind-blowing. The result we got is even better than the prompt we provided. This is the quality you can expect from this tool. You can see the size of the image here. It's generated in high quality. You can download the image in JPEG or PNG format. So that was how you can generate an animated background image with just 1 click. Next, let's look at the image-to-image feature. There are 4 modes within this feature: storyboard to image, sketch to image, image stylization, and pose. Let's start by trying image stylization. Using image stylization, you can convert any image into your custom style. So I simply upload an image, then choose image stylization in the mode and confirm. Now, you need to write a prompt here, but you don't need to write it manually. In Autodraft, you can generate a prompt with 1 click. Click on Generate Prompt with AI, and boom, within a second, a great prompt will be ready. This feature is quite cool. Now you just need to click on Generate Image. It will take some time, so I'll try another image. I uploaded an image, used AI to write the prompt, and simply hit Generate. Now, you can see the final output of the first image. A new variation has been created, and the result is quite impressive. This is the second image, and its new variation is also very good. You can download this image if you want. All right, now let's try sketch to image. I simply upload a sketch, then choose sketch to image. Again, I quickly write the prompt using the Autodraft AI prompt generator. Then simply generate the image. Again, I upload and generate another image at the same time. And boom, look at the final result. Just from a sketch, a powerful image has been generated. Amazing. The next feature is storyboard to image. Again, you need to add a storyboard, then choose storyboard to image and confirm. Again, generate a prompt with AI. Then simply hit Generate Image. All right, in the same time, I upload and generate another storyboard. And boom, look at the final output again. Mind-blowing. So you see how you can generate a realistic background image from a simple image. All right, the next feature is flat color to image. This allows you to generate consistent, high-quality animation backgrounds from flat-colored backgrounds, giving you control over both the structure and colors of the output image. To use this, go to Image to Image, then upload an image. After that, type a related prompt and hit Generate. You can see the final output. The style of the image is consistent, but the design and colors have changed. Here's another example where you can clearly see the difference. All right, make sure to try out this feature as well. Additionally, this tool includes AI Paint and AI Upscale and AI Eraser features, which you should also check out. All right, the next feature is to make 2D animation in Autodraft AI. Let's break the 2D animation workflow into 5 parts. Creating backgrounds in a specific style, creating character turnaround sheets, making these characters ready for rigging, and adding voiceover and compiling. You can generate background using text to image and image to image features like how I showed you earlier in the video. So I won't waste time generating the background right now. All right, now let's move to generating ready-to-rig character turnaround sheets. Create a project with our model. This is a very simple interface for you to generate character turnarounds in your style. Simply write a description of your character and hit Generate. And your ready-to-rig character is here. You can upscale the images from here, and to animate them, simply download an SVG. You can generate as many character turnarounds as you need. Load the SVG directly to Adobe Animate and convert each part into a symbol before applying bones. Once the character is fully rigged, you can easily animate the character. All right, and the final output will be something like this. Perfect. So this is how you can make 2D animation using Autodraft AI. Now let's talk about the pricing of Autodraft. Autodraft offers a free plan that gives you 20 free credits, perfect for trying out the basic features. For more extensive use, you can upgrade to one of their paid plans. You can choose the plan that best suits your needs. You can choose Base Plan or Pro Plan and access all their templates and features. And if you want to get your own style trained, then you can schedule a demo from their website. Besides this, you can also join the Autodraft community, where you'll get daily updates, new features, and you can contact them quickly. And it's free, guys. All right, the link is in the description below, so be sure to check it out. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.